Have you ever noticed that some lyrics are just easier to sing than others, especially out of your chest voice? The most common mistakes I hear singers make are not modifying or optimizing their vowels. We just can't sing our lyrics up high the same way we would down in our chest voice. Here's what to do. Let's take the vowel ah, for example. It's in a lot of lyrics like lost, cost, and even in words like I or fly, the beginning of those diphthongs tends to be like an I. So when you're gonna sing an ah and you're getting up towards the top of your chest voice or to that bridge, middle section of your voice, we need to narrow that vowel a little bit to help it feel more comfortable as you go through that part of your voice. That way you won't carry up too much weight, it won't feel strained, and if you have the tendency to flip, it'll actually be easier to lean into it and not back off so quickly when you get that vowel more acoustically balanced. Let's take ah, for example. Instead of singing ah, I want you to substitute That's all. The first thing I want you to do is actually just speak that line of lyrics and substitute for the vowel that you would normally sing ah. Go ahead and give it a shot and sing it with the vowel instead of ah. You'll probably be surprised that it's actually going to sound pretty good and you won't need to adjust it back towards the ah, especially if it's in that middle part of your voice or up higher. If it does sound weird and doesn't sound like the word anymore, just inch it gently back toward the original vowel. Another problem vowel that you might want to use these types of modifications for is ah, like in can't, romance, chance. You'll actually want to narrow it to like EH. So instead of can't, you would sing Kent. The other thing we want to do when we get up higher is we need to drop the jaw a little bit, especially if we're singing more intensely. So instead of can't, Kent, it's going to feel more vertical, not so horizontal, and it should be a lot easier to sing like that. You can basically modify any vowel to optimize it in a way that it's going to sound better and feel better. Some vowels like E and oo have the opposite problem. When you take them up high, they need to be modified in a different way. So stay tuned for part 2 where I show you how to do that. If you want to learn how to do more of these types of vowel adjustments, download my free cheat sheet to better singing. I give you all the best vowel adjustments so that you can modify and optimize your vowels so that when you're singing up higher in your range, feels good and easy and sounds good too. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.